our country in the participation of women in the regional state council is very low. The number of elected women representatives is still low. More and more women are engaged in formally employment, but are underrepresented in middle higher management positions. And also the number of women leaders and decision makers at the various level of the decentralized government structure is still very low. And it is failure to address this issue would have serious consequences for the women participation in management position and society of a country. Therefore, this research were intended to examine factors that affect women participation on management position in the Arbegona border. When I will come to the next outline for the statement of the problem. When number of states have shown